having a great day. Today is a horribly windy and rainy day. I'll show you some footage. Our pool tarp is gonna blow away. The swing is just swinging itself. But I woke up today, I got all my seedlings in the basement watered. Then I waited 20 minutes and dumped the trays. And then I had 3 tulip bouquet orders today. So I headed out to the farm and I put together 3 bouquets. And 2 of them were just picked up, and I have 1 delivery I'm going to do, so I'm excited about that. Here is the tulip test. So even in the cold, they're starting to kind of get a little looser. They're all looking really good, really healthy. This one's a little weak looking. They're all still in water. I'll probably replace the water today and recut the stems. But that's how they're doing. They're looking pretty good. I think this must have been the smallest tulip pick. This was actually the bulb in the water, not wrapped. And then the no bulb that was so weak and horrible is looking really good. So its petals are a little curled more. And curling in than the others, but we will see. I didn't realize how big tulips were and how much people would like them, so that's exciting. I'm planning on getting more next year and putting some rows in at the farm, and hopefully this year I can find a supplier that actually gets me the quantity. I ordered like 1,500 and I only got 700, so I'm going to be out of tulips real fast this year, which is too bad. So next year, I'm just going to find a new supplier and I'm going to order a lot more. Yay! I did want to say, I'm sorry, a couple of times I've uploaded a video and it was the wrong video. So I just removed it and uploaded the right video. So I'm sorry if that confused anybody. I don't know what I'm doing different. Somehow I'm putting the wrong video up on YouTube and I need to start selecting the right video every day. I think I've done that twice now, but I did it yesterday, so I'm sorry about that. If you didn't catch the video or you realized you'd already seen it before, I did upload a new one. It has the same picture and I changed the title just a little bit to maybe let people know that I had uploaded a new video. After I deliver this bouquet, I was thinking I would go out to the farm and just do some cleanup because I have all of those trays to clean. And I just have a lot of cleanup. There's nothing I can do. It's so muddy outside from all the rain that we're getting. And it's rainy and windy, so I can't really harden anything off today, which leaves cleaning up those trays. But it's also really windy, and taking a bunch of very lightweight trays outside and washing them and then trying to have them not blow away while you're doing it might be a challenge, but it does need to be done, so I might try to get that done. Then I don't have to worry about it anymore. So it's not a very exciting day. The bouquets were exciting. Sometime I will try to put a video together of making the bouquets. I don't have a very good setup to show you guys while I'm making them because I'm working at the kitchen counter in the old farmhouse and there's not enough room for me to get my camera in front where you could actually see what I was doing. So I feel like you would always be like behind me. So I'll try to figure out something so that maybe I can like talk through the process of making a bouquet and how I do it, if that's something anybody's interested in. But today I take some tulips and I start with tulips with leaves and I kind of crisscross them and get them in so that they'll hold up the other ones. And then I strip a lot of the leaves off my tulips and stick them in the vase with the tulips that had the leaves. So that's kind of what I do, and it's pretty simple And then with the wrapped bouquets, I just kind of spiral them around each other. And I do take off some leaves and leave others, because it worries me that when people get them home and they just try to put them in the vase, that they won't like how it looks, because they won't know to strip off the leaves, or they won't know exactly how they want to arrange them. Maybe people do know. Maybe I worry for no reason. I'm always like, well, if I put this in a vase, like, I know what it looks like and I'm happy with it. If I just wrap it, you know, are they going to be happy with it, or are they going to get frustrated trying to like take leaves off and like make it just so? But they do get more flowers when they don't order it in a vase, and a lot of people are crafty, so I just have to hope that they know what they're doing, hope that they make it pretty. I think it's kind of fun. I mean, you can get just a market bouquet and you can like put your own vase arrangement together, and that's more special, I think, even coming from you, because you put the bouquet together for like your mom or your friend or whoever. And I like giving them out that way, but I will strip some of the leaves so that people like realize like, oh, well, there were no leaves on this one and there's leaves on this one. Oh, maybe like this has too much green in it, like there's too many leaves in this vase, and maybe they can just strip off their own. I'm not sure. I wonder what, if you guys do something, or you guys have a method to your madness, drop it in the comments below. I'd love to hear what other flower farmers are doing. So I was able today to take down that spare table I had in my basement, which gave me 2 more grow lights. I might have to start paying the electric bill out here. So I just thought I would maybe put those in. That was a good task to do today. It's too wet to really do anything. It's all muddy. It was pretty windy and it was pretty cold. I'd much rather do it on a warm day. But at least all of those trays are ready, and now I can take them home. And I do want to start another tray of yarrows, so now I'll have a tray because I was running out of them. So that's good news. And I also got my buckets bleached that had tulips in them. And I got some bouquets made today. And it looks like some of our tulips are starting to open up. So let's see. The one that was laying down with no bulb, dry, so it was not in water. And the one that had a bulb in water and was wrapped. The bulb out of water, had a bulb out of water. This was a bulb in water, unwrapped. That one almost looks like it's not as good a tulip, so maybe I'll have to try that one again. Maybe it was the tulip, maybe it was the method. No bulb, dry, standing up. So they're starting to open. It is 59 degrees in this farmhouse. If I take them home, it would be 70 degrees, so they'd open right away. I think this is day 3 or 4 though. They're still looking awesome. They look really good. I think I'm gonna cut them and give them a little bit more food water. I think I'll just, one of them lost its, one of them lost. Forget which one it is. I'm gonna go ahead and just get a new bleach vase. And I'll have to bleach, this one needs bleach, see over here. That one has been bleached. This is some food, some water with food. I just bleached my snips. So I'm just gonna snip off kind of where I see like it's really light and then it gets a little greener, I'm just going to snip it off to there. Give them some fresh food. That one's the one that was missing its tag. So we'll tie it back on. So in a cool area, I mean, these are already on day 4 of being in a vase. So in a cold house, people will be really happy with the vase life of the flowers. Why am I missing a tulip? Oh, we never did that one, maybe. No bulb dry standing up. We must not have ever done that one. That was the extra. Alright. I'll go back and look at the video to make sure that's true. If I need to switch those 2 tags, I will. Okay, so I got my trays bleached. I got all my seedlings watered today. I got 3 bouquets made and delivered. I'd say it was a good day. And we looked at our Tulip Vase Life Test. Yay! So I think it was a good day, even though it was rainy and cold. I think it's supposed to rain for the next few days. So hardening off plants, getting plants outside, is just gonna have to wait. I guess it's part of farming. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you have a great day.